What is a quantity surveyor? We're also known as construction economists or cost managers, cost estimators, and one of the team of professional advisors within the construction industry. As advisors, we estimate and monitor construction costs from the feasibility stage right through to construction completion. After construction, we may also be involved in tax depreciation schedules, replacement cost estimates for insurance purposes, and mediation and arbitration. Quantity surveyors, we get our name from the Bill of Quantities, which is a document that itemises the quantities of materials and labour in a construction project. We do this from measuring off design drawings and using that all the way through for tendering and progress payments and variations. In addition to new projects, quantity surveyors also use their skills in the refurbishment of old buildings, alterations, existing buildings, and accurately provide these costs for building insurance replacements and in-depth knowledge of detailed cost estimating.
For more information, visit our website at mcgqs.com.au.